This is how I introduce multiplication to students along with a teaching strategy for most of the basic facts. You will notice the numbers are out of order. Introducing the numbers in this way will give students strategies they can apply to harder numbers such as 7. Beside each number is a rule for multiplying. This is word for word how I teach it in the class and what I get my students to memorize. When multiplying by 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. 7 times 0 is 0, and 0 times 7 is 0. It doesn't matter which way it's written. 1. When we multiply by 1, the answer is always the other number. 7 times 1 equals 7 because 7 is the other number. 10. When we multiply by 10, we simply add a 0 to the other number. 7 times 10 equals 70 because we've added a 0 to the 7. When we multiply by 9, we can multiply by 10 and subtract one group. For example, 7 times 9 is 63 because 7 times 10 is 70 minus one group of 7 is 63. When we multiply by 2, we simply double the other number. 7 times 2 is 14 because 7 doubled is 14. 4. When we multiply by 4, we double. 7 times 4 is 28 because 7 doubled is 14 and double 14 is 28. When we multiply by 8, we double. 7 times 8 is 56 because 7 doubled is 14, 14 doubled is 28, and 28 doubled is 56. When we multiply by 3, we double the other number and add one more group. 7 times 3 is 21 because 7 doubled is 14 and one more group of 7 is 21. When we multiply by 11, we repeat the other number. 7 times 11 is 77 because we've repeated the 7. This strategy works up until 9 times 11. It does not work for 10, 11 or 12 times 11. When we multiply by 12, we repeat the other number and add one more group. 7 times 12 is 84 because 7 repeated is 77 plus one more group of 7 is 84. When we multiply by 5, we can use the clock face as a counting tool, provided students understand 5-minute intervals on an analog clock. For example, 5 times 7 is 35 because 7 is 35 minutes past the hour. 10 times 5 is 50 because 10 is 50 minutes past the hour. When we multiply by 6, we can multiply by 5 and add one more group. 7 times 6 is 42 because 7 times 5 is 35 plus one more group of 7 makes 42. There are no strategies for 7, however, we've just learnt strategies for every other number, which will give us most of our answers for our 7 times table.